Okay, now I'm gonna give you a few cleanliness tips in your kitchen. Buyers are going to rummage through your kitchen more than any other room in your house. They're just looking in your cabinets to see if there's gonna be enough storage for them and their family and how they live their life. So make sure that your kitchen is extra clean. That means cleaning off the countertops, and make sure that you're cleaning your countertops per the actual countertop material. So if you're cleaning granite, then you need to make sure you're using a granite cleaning solution. Also, make sure that your microwave is fully clean. Make sure your dishwasher is empty and clean as well. A great thing to use in the kitchen that a lot of people don't know about is vinegar. I love putting baking soda and vinegar down my garbage disposal as it's running. I also like to put it in my dishwasher when there's no dishes in there and I run a full cycle, and it really just cleans and it makes it smell a lot better. There's also little vents in the bottom of your dishwasher that if you just unscrew and lift out, sometimes some bigger chunks of food and stuff can get stuck in there and it can really create an odor. So you want to make sure that's clean as well. Now let's talk about the oven. Nobody likes to clean their oven. Okay, we get cheese and sauce and everything known to cooking man is probably in the bottom of your oven. Now, thankfully, this seller just got a brand new oven, so it's not even dirty yet. But I am gonna show you the #1 trick I have on cleaning ovens. What you do is when you open your door, nobody likes bending over the door to clean their oven. So the biggest tip I have for you is you see these latches? They actually come off, and all you have to do is lift up each one of these latches here. Everyone's gonna be different, but it's gonna be pretty similar. You lift up this latch and then your door of your oven can come straight off, and you can clean the inside of your oven without a door to worry about. The best thing about that too is then you can take your door over to your sink and clean the door a little bit easier than having to bend over and do that.